Gayatin channel. If it's your first time in my channel, please like, subscribe, and click the notification bell so that you'll be updated of all my upcoming videos.
Hello everyone. Today I will discuss about Ullage Report. If you have watched all my previous videos from liquid cargo calculation terminologies, liquid cargo calculation number 1, 2, 3, and 4, then I am sure you have already an idea how Ullage Report is being done. Before I proceed, let us first know what is an Oleds report. Oleds report is a report prepared by chief officer after loading a ship's actual records of how much cargo is received on board. This report is signed and stamped by both chief officer and cargo surveyor in tanker vessels. Okay guys, let's say for example, after loading, the cargo surveyor gave us the final density of cargo of the following: density at 15 degrees centigrade, 0.9845 metric tons per cubic meters. So guys, this is very common that the cargo surveyor will give us only the final density at 15 degrees centigrade after or prior completion of loading operation. And it is now from this density we subtract the constant figure of 0.0011. So 0.9845 metric tons per cubic meter minus 0.0011, then we can have the density in air. So the density in air will be 0.9834 metric tons per cubic meter. Okay guys, please take note of the following. Now we will proceed to the Oleds report contents. Okay guys, so this is an example of Oleds report. In this example, I used table 54 alpha. This means that we are calculating cargoes from cubic meter figures. Okay guys, table 54 alpha, cubic meter figures of petroleum cargo which is not yet refined, such as crude oil, for example. Okay guys, so the rest about tables to be used, guys, if you have watched my previous videos, then there you will have an idea what tables you will use in case you will calculate cargo such as product cargoes or non-product cargoes. Okay guys, so today I will just focus about Oleds report. Let's say for example, on board our ship we have only one cargo tank. Okay, only one cargo tank. So that tank will be only one center tank. So here, as you can see, in the first column of our Oleds report format, we have the tanks. So for example, we have only one tank, so that would be one center. Okay, and after loading, together with the cargo surveyor, chief officer, and pumpman, we check the ullage of cargo tank. Okay guys, so the ullage is 1.5 meters. Okay, 1.5 meters. This 1.5 meters we entered into the ullage table. Okay, every tanker ships, guys, have specific ullage table. Okay, so we have 1.5 ullage, and for example, we entered it into the ullage table and we get the value of 1500 cubic meters. Okay guys, so this is called TOV. Okay guys, TOV. This is called TOV, total observed volume. What you get, guys, from ullage table is called TOV. Okay guys, in the next column here we have free water. For example, we found free water in our cargoes of approximately 100 cubic meters. Okay, 100 cubic meters. Okay guys, so TOV minus free water equals GOV. As you can see in this column, we have GOV 1400 cubic meter, because 1500 minus 100 cubic meter equals 1400 cubic meters. Okay guys, this is the observed temperature. Okay guys, observed temperature during cargo tank ullaging. During cargo tank ullaging, also the temperature is checked and recorded. And let's see, for example here, 35 degrees centigrade. Okay guys, 35 degrees centigrade. And we have also the BCF, volume correction factor. BCF is taken from table 54 alpha. Okay guys, you will enter the density and temperature into table 54 alpha, then you will get BCF. Okay guys, clear guys? In the next column we have gross standard volume, or cubic meter at 15 degrees centigrade. So GSB equals GOV times BCF. GOV times BCF. And now we have 1381.52 cubic meter at 15 degrees centigrade. Okay guys, now we have also here density in air. Okay guys, density in air. As I have said before, density is in air was taken from density in vacuum minus 0.0011. So density in air is equals to 0.9834 tons per cubic meter. Okay guys, so, and this is very common guys on board ships. that we always use density in air for calculating weight quantity. Okay guys, so G is B times density in air is equal to quantity in metric ton in air. So 1381.52 times 0.9834 is equals to 1358.59 metric ton in air. Okay guys, do you follow guys? So at the bottom of the Oleds report format, you can see the following. So the total in volume quantity and total in weight quantity. Okay, so we use 54 alpha. Our volume quantity will be cubic meter at 15 degrees centigrade. Okay guys, so our gross standard volume, as you can see above, 1381.52 cubic meter at 15 degrees centigrade. Okay guys, our weight quantity in metric tons air is 1358.59 metric ton in air. In order to get into long ton, you will multiply this metric ton air by 0.984206. Okay, 1358.59 times 0.984206 equals 1337.13 long tons. Okay guys, do you follow guys? Now we will proceed to TCV. TCV, total calculated volume. Okay, we have also here the free water. We write here the free water quantity 100 cubic meters. Okay, as you can see above, 100 cubic meters. So TCB is equals to GSV plus free water. Okay, so GSV 1381.52 plus 100 cubic meter of free water, TCB is equal to 1481.52. Okay, 1481.52. So we will convert this into weight quantity, then we will get 1481.52 times density in air 0.9834. So we will have 1456.52 metric ton air. Okay guys, the total calculated volume in metric ton is 1456.92. The total calculated volume in long ton, 1456.92 times 0.984206. Now we have 1433.92 long tons. Okay guys, now we will record also the OBQ, on board quantity. So we don't have on board quantity, that means our cargo tanks before loading are nil. All our cargo tanks before loading are empty. Okay, So we have OBQ 0. Okay guys? So now we will have TCO, total cargo on board. Okay guys? Total cargo on board. So total cargo on board is equals to TCV minus OBQ. Okay. So we have, because we don't have OBQ, so our TCV and TCO is the same. Okay. 1481.52, and our TCO in weight figures 1456.92, and in long ton 1433.92. Okay guys, because we have no OBQ. Okay, so TCV and TCO is the same. Okay guys, now we will also put our BEF, vessel experience factor. Okay guys, so let's say for example this is our vessel experience factor 0.99602. So we will only divide TCO by BCF, then we will get TCO divide BAF, then we will get the BAF applied TCO. Okay, so our total cargo on board with BAF applied is 1487.44 cubic meter at 15 degrees centigrade. And also we will multiply these figures, or we will divide this figure by 0.99602, then we will get 1462.74. Okay guys, and also the same way here, 1433.92 divide 0.99602, so we will get 1439.64. Okay guys, this is the BAF applied figures of total cargo on board. Okay guys, BAF guys is vessel experience factor. These are the figures of differences between ship and shore quantities from previous loading operations of our vessels. The BAF guys is the history of vessels loading operations except loading after dry dock. Okay, if the vessel is just came out from dry dock and then it proceeds to a loading operation, then that loading operation will be exempted from the records of BAF. Okay guys, the first loading operation after dry dock is exempted or not to be included in the vessel experience factor report. Okay guys, the second loading after dry dock, that's the one to be included in the vessel experience factor. Okay.